What's up, wreckers? Welcome back to Southern Custom CC. This is Mark. I apologize for the hiatus. It has been quite an eventful past year. I know I haven't uploaded as many videos, but we have been working on many things, and this is just one of the things that's just fresh. This is the first introduction to the US. This is the Roadrunner 80. As I said, we have a couple of things coming out, and this is just the first of many. This is going to be something that has been tried before in the past, but hasn't been successful. This time, we've taken care to address some of the issues with the previous design to make and utilize this engine to close to its best performance. Now, with that being said, of course, any stock engine can be upgraded. This is not the pinnacle of optimization for this engine. So with this stock, you will be running much better than the standard Zeda 80, but with that being said, there's always room to increase as well. But we have taken a couple of design upgrades to make this really optimal for its stock performance. And what we have is the introduction of the Southern Custom CC Roadrunner 80. This is a performance motorized bicycle engine. It's been in the works for close to a year, if not just a little bit more. This is about to become extremely popular in the United States, and this is the debut. Our engine with the Roadrunner 80 is special because it comes with the standard G4 cylinder, which has the open transfer ports, the 47mm piston, the machine port matched wide mouth exhaust, as well as the machine ported wide mouth intake 40mm. And it has the regular gasket, but the Roadrunner 80 has the double spark plug. There it is. It's been tried before, but this one is going to be successful because there's some other upgrades versus just the double spark plug head. So now you're going to be able to run double fire. This kit will come with multiple spark plugs, the generic Z8Cs. Now, I said that you can upgrade, and one of the upgrades that you can do is get the NGK series spark plug to really help out to optimize the double spark. And I run the B6HS, some run the 5, some run the 7. It's up to you, but definitely get the NGK because that is going to really take advantage of the double spark. There it is. Nice and clean. That's gonna look hot. That is gonna look really good on an engine. Now, besides that, this engine kit will come with the Allen bolts, the M8 studs, a standard magneto. Now, with that being said, it is the standard magneto. Another upgrade that you can do to take more advantage of that double spark is to go out and purchase an Oz magneto. It has more resistance, more wrapping, and you will get more fire. And with the double spark plug, that is definitely a little added bonus and upgrade. You got the 2 gaskets, and that sticker look really nice right there. So once again, this is the G4. Also comes with the typical single spark plug head in case you do not like this and you want to go back to the standard. There's a 44 tooth sprocket. We got the nice, durable, upgraded throttle handles. Got some fuel line, standard throttle body and throttle cable with the springs. This kit is going to come with the Bofang carburetor, which, to tell you the truth, I don't have a big problem with this. A lot of people don't like it, but a lot of people do like it. I'm one of the ones that does not have a problem with it. It's still able to change out the height of the needle. It doesn't work with the generic 5mm jets, but there are jets that you can get to upgrade. It comes with a cleaner cinching unit to cut back on the air leaks for the intake. I do have a lot less problems with this bowl, and the jets coming out. Has a nice relieve spring and the idler screw, the idle screw. So with all this, I have no problem with this Bofang, but this is what the kit comes with. This is what I requested when we were piecing this together, and this is what it's going to have. So if you like the NT, fine, go out and buy another $8, $9 NT carb and replace it. But these Roadrunner 80s are going to come with the Bofang. So continuing on, standard gas tank, 2 liter. Alright, we have the upgraded silver clutch lever, which I like because it is less likely to lose that washer, and it's more durable and it holds up a lot longer than that black clutch lever. So that's another thing we had put in when we had designed this kit. Here is the double spark plug. Now, this isn't just a CDI with 2 notches. It has the upgraded 7.5mm copper core wiring for the spark plug wires. Not only that, it has the open spark plug boots, so you're not going to have to take off the tip of the spark plug, especially with the NGK, because that's what you're paying for. You're paying for that specialty tip, and that's what's going to help get you more power if you use the NGK, is that tip, and you are not going to have to take that off and unscrew it with like you will with some other boots. So this is going to help maximize the spark that you get, and it's going to really help maximize that double spark plug head. So we have the male petcock. We have an extra spark plug, so it looks like we get 3 spark plugs with this kit. We have the chain idler with a dual mounting system. Has the 2 arms, which I find to be more secure than the single. We have a chrome exhaust pipe, which I'd recommend debaffling. Got the upgraded gas tank cap, which is a little tight the first or second time that you screw it on, but it holds and the seal on the gas tank much better than the previous edition. It also has the wider gas tank mounts, which adds for ease of installation versus the smaller thin ones that used to come in kits. We have the clutch wire, the typical rubber grommets for mounting your sprocket, a 415 chain, and a single CDI if you want to utilize the single spark plug head. So it gives you both options. Lastly, we have the universal M8 mounting hardware. So there it is. the introduction of the G4 Southern Custom CC Roadrunner 80 double spark plug head. This is going to run powerful. You're going to get more spark because of the upgrade CDI wiring. Once again, you'll get more spark if you upgrade the spark plugs, as well as upgrade to the Oz Magneto. But even as stock, this is going to run better because of the open transfer ports. So this is just one of the new engine types coming out. We're the first to have it, the first to sell it. So with that being said, we're going to do a special code. If you want to be one of the first ones to try out this G4 Roadrunner 80 by Southern Custom CC, just go ahead and go to www.southerncustomcc.com and input the code TEST. Once again, code TEST, T-E-S-T, and you will get a slight discount on these. So come and get them. It is the Roadrunner 80 with the G4 cylinder and the double spark plug head. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. This is Mark with Southern Custom CC. Be sure to get there ASAP. www.southerncustomcc.com. Get yours today. Be one of the first ones to try this out. And we have more coming out, but this is just the first of many. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget, fly low and avoid the radar.